Welcome to Marseille, France's vibrant port city on the Mediterranean coast. Founded by Greek sailors around 600 BC, Marseille is the oldest city in France and the second largest by population. This ancient city has a rich history of diverse culture and stunning landscapes. The heart of Marseille is its old port. For over 2,600 years, it has been the epicenter of trade and commerce. Today, it is a bustling marina filled with yachts and fishing boats, surrounded by lively markets, cafes, and restaurants. High above the city, watching over the port, stands the basilica of Notre-Dame de la Garde. This iconic landmark, often referred to as the Good Mother, was built in the mid-19th century. For the people here, it is a beacon of faith and protection, with its stunning mosaic and golden statue of Virgin Mary is something to behold. As the sun sets, Marseille transforms into a city of lights, with historical buildings, including the Palais Longchamp and the Pharo Palace, glow against the night sky. The illuminated Notre-Dame de la Garde stands out, guiding sailors safely into the port, just as it has for centuries. The nighttime view of Marseille is enchanting. The city's diverse neighborhoods, they come alive at night, with lights and vibrant energy of the people. Marseille's architecture is a blend of the ancient and modern, reflecting its rich and varied history. Now let's take a close look at the journey up to the Notre-Dame de la Garde. The climb is steep, but as you ascend, you'll notice the intricate details of the basilica's construction and the breathtaking panoramic views of Marseille and the Mediterranean Sea.